Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have St. John here, and that is not the first time Gordon Guitar. So if you're a fan of him, make sure you subscribe to this channel. He will be back for sure. And this time we're gonna look into glitching. This is not your typical guitar song. I'm aware of that, but perhaps you're not a typical guitarist either. So you want to do something different, then stay here. Let's go into glitching. That's the song. And we have 4 chords, no need for a capo on this one. So let's dive into the chords needed. We're gonna start with B minor, then go over to A, then F sharp minor, and G. All right? So first, B minor. You place your index finger on the 2nd fret and you push down 5 strings if you count from bottom and up like this. So that's the first thing, and then you need to add 4th fret on D string, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. And there you have your B minor. Next is A, and I show you that in the introduction to this tutorial. You can go either with the just 1 finger on the 2nd fret, and you cover 4 strings there from the D string and down. If you do that, then stay away from the last E string down there. You don't want to have that with you. So you stay away from it. You strum in the mid strings there. So you also incorporate the open A string. So open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and that's it. If you go with the full standard chord, you will have it like this, okay? And then you can also incorporate the open E string in the end. It's up to you. Go either with a bar finger like this on the 2nd fret or with all these 3 fingers if you feel that that is okay with you. Okay, that is the A chord. Next is the F sharp minor. Another bar chord still on the 2nd fret with the index finger. This time you need to push down all strings there, and then you need to add 4th on A and 4th on D. And the final chord is G. That goes 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, open B, and 3rd E. And that will be the incorporation through the song, okay? So we're gonna look into the melody first, and it's pretty fast played, this one. So I suggest you take down the tempo, really enough for you to be able to handle it, and then gradually work your way up. So with that said, we're gonna go into it and look at chord by chord, starting with B minor. So I suggest you hold the chord now as it is, and you're gonna play like this. Okay, so that is to play 2nd fret on A together with 3rd B, then 4th D, then 4th G, and 2nd E. Okay, so that is how to play it. So, and then you're gonna play A, just like that, and that is the open A string together with 2nd B. And you have a long pause there. Then into the next chord, the F sharp minor, it goes like this. So you hold the chord as it is, and you're gonna play 2nd fret on E string together with 2nd B. 4th D and 2nd G, and then 2nd E. So, and then you have the last chord, the G, and that is simply to play 3rd fret on E string together with open B, and then a huge pause afterwards. Then you're gonna play the 2nd round, and it's played exactly in the same way except from the A chord. So the B minor, the F sharp, and G is played in the same way. The A is just to add an extra note to it. So you're gonna play in the first round just open A and 2nd B. But on this 2nd round, you're gonna add on the 2nd fret G string as well. So, and a pause. So you play that alternately. So first round and then 2nd round, and then you play first, second, and all the difference there happens with this extra note added to the A chord. So that is how you handle the melody. Now let's go into the strumming world, and we're gonna learn the strumming with the first 2 chords, because this strumming is divided to 2 different parts. So we're gonna look at the transition from B minor to A. Okay, so it goes like this slowly. And this is just how I would perform this song. This is not a guitar song, so you have to translate it into something that works with the right rhythm and the feeling for it. So there are many different ways of doing this. This is how I would do it when I just mentioned that. So first part, B minor, down, down, up, clap, up, down. So down, down, up, clap, up, down. And then you switch to A and play part 2, down, down, clap, down. So if we put this together, B minor, down, down, up, clap, up, down, A, down, down, clap, down. And then you just bring this to the next 2 chords. The F sharp minor is played in the same way as B minor, part 1, down, down, up, clap, up, down. And then G in the same way as A, down, down, clap, down. So it sounds. And if you play 1 round of this chord progression, it will be like this. You can choose whatever A you want to do, and that is how I handled it. Okay, so like I mentioned before, work gradually your speed up, and yeah, get comfortable first and then try to aim for the standard tempo. So that is how I handle St. John's glitching. Nice, cool song, and even cooler with a guitar. So give it a try, and until next time, play tuned.